morning. All right, so let's start with ES. Why is this not working now? Seriously? Okay, so on ES, as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, and now with the overnight session, 4 sessions with almost equal highs, which makes it for a very weak high that the market would likely wants to clean up. You can see that we don't have any excess on the upside in the profile here. So I'm looking for these highs to be taken, and I have these two targets at 53.61 and 53.67 that makes this area in balance. The point of control, the 20-day point of control shifted up here to 33 and change, almost 34, 53.34. So that's gonna be a magnet. If we fail to break higher, we're probably gonna come back here. And on the downside, I'm looking at in the event that we fail to keep moving above, then I will look for a move back into this area, the 53.20, which we still haven't retested. This is an untested point of control. And then this is support for now, this 53.04 area, which if it breaks, like I've been saying, I want to see below 5300 in order to take a short and into the gap fill at 52.74. But I like I don't want to take look for too many shorts before we start breaking this area. NQ, it's a little more bullish. It looks a little more bullish than yes, we have Nvidia earnings today after the market closes, so it looks like the market has been waiting for that. It's a important earning to watch. And tomorrow we have jobless claims, so market's been in balance waiting. NQ, I have a target at 18,860, but from there with earnings, Nvidia's earnings, I don't know. I mean, we could easily get into the 1900s, and why not 20,000, right? Why not? And then the 20-day point of control also shifted here at 18,750, so that's gonna be a magnet for the time being. Crude oil keeps doing the same thing. It keeps trending lower, but it's very clearly, value is very clearly here in the 78.60 to 78.80 area. Actually, this is the range. Value is considered inside this area, right? The highlight area, which is between 78.10 and 79.30. That's fair value as of now. So any failed attempts to break below or break above is gonna bring us back into this area. So I've been fishing for trades, very low risk, high reward in crude the whole week. Long from here, short from here, back into the middle. So those trades have been working nicely. I have one now set up. Let's see if I get filled, but I have it at a limit order at 77.56, which is right in this area. We had some volume coming in and at that level on the overnight session, so I'm seeing if I can get a fill there with a stop below this area, just below 77, and then targeting this area at 78.40. And then gold, has been moving higher, made new highs this week, and now is accepting prices above 2400. So watch this area between 2400 and 2405. If it breaks below, then I will target 2380, and then as long as we stay above this, it looks like it wants to start a balance and accept prices here and put in a new range here. So watch this low volume area. The other scenario is that it just fills this area with volume, and then this becomes the new range. But so far it's been one time firming up, and today, I think today is is it the first day that I'm not sure, but it might be one of the first days in a while that it's opening below the previous day's range. Okay, that's about it. Bitcoin, I haven't talked about Bitcoin for a while, but it's been on fire, and it's now trading above 70,000. I mean, new highs. I don't really have a target other than taking the previous range and double it, which I haven't even looked at the chart, but could easily get to 75,300. I had that target from before, 75,300. So as long as it holds above 69,200, then that would be my target. 75,300. Otherwise, it will probably go back into the 66,500. But there's news regarding the ETF that it looks like might be approved. So if that for some reason runs into some trouble or some issues, then this could really correct very quickly to the downside. All right, so the plan for today is to wait the first 15 minutes, see if we move back above yesterday's value into this area and break and make new highs. And then if we for some reason break below value area low below 28, then maybe if the stars aligned, then look for a short into the 53.20 and then look for continuation. But I will be looking for buy setups around this 5304 area, and if we don't hold 5300, then short into the gap fill. All right, that's it. Good luck.